Understanding HVAC Delta T is key when you're trying to figure out if your airflow is actually doing its job or if your system's just off. So, Delta T in HVAC is basically the difference between the temperature of the air going into your system and the air coming out. When you're checking your airflow or sizing your system, you can't just guess. You gotta use some solid numbers. That's where the temporized formula comes in, which helps you find the cubic feet per minute flow, or CFM. The formula uses the heat transfer principles by relating temperature difference and energy to airflow, giving you a real-world number instead of a wild guess. You'd usually pull this out when you think your system might be underperforming, or when you're sizing a new unit and want to make sure you're not over or underdoing it. It's like having a cheat code to check if the air is moving right through your vents. Just remember, accurate temperature readings on supply and return air are a must or your numbers will be way off. Plus, this method helps catch issues early, saving you from costly repairs down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC Delta T calculations is not measuring temperatures correctly, like taking readings too close to the unit or in drafty spots, which messes up accuracy. Fix that by measuring in stable spots away from direct airflow. Another common slip-up is ignoring system airflow when sizing equipment, leading to an HVAC system that either can't keep up or wastes energy. Make sure to always use airflow data alongside Delta T for proper sizing. Also, relying solely on manufacturer specs without validating actual in-home conditions can throw off airflow calculations and system efficiency. Double check with actual temperature and airflow measurements to get it right. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding the right help. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work and build a good rep in your area without any hassle.